Yo, guys, next year, be ready to consult with your financial advisor. Make sure you're talking with your old lady. Make sure you are ready because we are about to be spending a lot of money in today's video. We're going to be unveiling and talking about some of the most anticipated Jordan releases of 2025. Sit back, relax. We got some heat dropping next year, and I'm all here for it. Let's go ahead and get to today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another one, man. It's always greatly appreciated. When you guys come on YouTube, see what your boy Defender's talking about. And again, like I said, be ready to spend some bread. And I want you guys right now down below in the comment section, let me know your top 5 most anticipated releases of the year. Me, myself, I'm going to highlight, you know what I'm saying, what I'm definitely going to be going to get. And I'm going to talk about, put a little extra emphasis on some releases that I feel like everybody has on the radar, which might, you know what I'm saying, be a little, make it a problem. Might make it a problem. If anything is true about how Jordan's cut back on some of their stock, it could be a problem for a lot of these releases we're about to talk about. Let's go ahead and get to it. Before we do, make sure you guys sub up, hit the notification bell, since with a friend, ask them what they trying to cop in 2025. Put some pictures up on here, talk about the releases, talk about the release date, and a couple of the sneakers we do currently have in the collection that we can talk about, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so for the first sneaker, we already did an early unboxing, an early look on. This is the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. Now, these Reimagined guys right here are going to be on a lot of people's radar. You guys know the 2016 pair, if you have anything near what I got, they yellowed a lot. So people want to renew, get a fresh pair, and this has a nice little touch to it. You got the 3M piping all around, and you have the 3M on the Nike Air, which I thought was really, really dope, man. I really love that Nike on the back. Go ahead and check it out, man. Translucent hang tag on the Black Metallic Reimagined. I am loving them. I cannot wait to get my size. And like I said, I do have a couple of the pairs that are released next year. This one got pushed back to 2025. You guys can tell by the box what we do have right here. The Rare Air, the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. They did a little something crazy on these. I wouldn't film them too much. You guys can check them out. You got the Air Jordan on the side right here, but the Black Toe Reimagined will be releasing next year as well. I think it's early time frame. Put a screenshot up here, put the date, put the retail tag and stuff like that. But me personally, wasn't a huge fan of these Black Toe Reimagined. I'm glad we did get the Black Toe lows because I've been wearing them a lot. Been wearing a pair to the gym, got a pair for fits, and yeah, they've been cool with me. But that Air Jordan on the side, right? I can't do it. But the sale on the midsole is really, really unique. So you guys let me know if you're gonna be snagging these. Definitely a top release in my opinion in terms of anticipation, just because everybody wanted to come out this year to push release date back. And now we get them in 2025. And then on January the 11th, bro, this is all the first couple months of 2025. They already started off with a bang. This is the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. You guys already know we've been seeing some early looks. We've been seeing some early pictures, some on feeds, all types of stuff. And every time I see them, I want them that much more. I just can't, I don't want to spend $300 on them right now. I know I should be doing it because I do sneaker YouTube. Like, bro, I know this is going to be an easy pickup in terms of the resale drop. And if I do take an L on FLX or sneakers and stuff like that, I'll be able to get a pair for like $220, $230. Resale gonna drop tremendously, but definitely could turn out to be an issue. You guys seen what happened to the Blueberry 12s. Like that release, I'm gonna be talking about that for a while because it's just crazy how out of nowhere they sold out. The resale shot up and everybody in my morning pair. It's crazy, but the Black Cement 3s or the Black Cat 3s, sorry, could definitely end up like that as well. I'm getting a pair. I know I'm gonna get a pair, and hopefully the release does not turn out to be like the Black Cat 4. You guys know back in 2020 or 2021, these joints dropped and they were sitting everywhere. Fast forward a couple months, now they're going for a crazy amount of money. I think my size 9 going for almost like $900, which is crazy. But we'll be getting these as well next year. It's a perfect segue. Perfect segue into the next sneaker. You guys know we're getting the Black Cat 3s. And we'll also be getting the Black Cat 4. So they're going Black Cat crazy next year. Like I said, we got 3s, we got the 4s, and hopefully they don't change up anything. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this one was perfect. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. You can't do anything more to make these better. You know what I'm saying? Only if they had a Nike Air. If they had a Nike Air, people will be going crazy. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I hope they bring them out just like this. Nubuck suede all around. I'm loving them. So Black Cat 3s, Black Cat 4s. We only talked about 4 shoes so far. So we got to get going, talk about these next couple releases. All right, so these 2 stickers, I'm going to go ahead and add them in the same little portrait right here. But we'll be getting the Air Jordan 1 Bread and UNC's in that 85 cut. Man, when I heard that news, bruh, I just literally was like, thank you, Nike. Thank you, Jordan Brand. I've been wanting these shoes for a very, very long time. I got so many bread, I got the satins, I got the patent leathers, I got the lows. I need this 85 cut. I cannot wait because I'm rocking them things like crazy. I was rocking Chicago's too much. I lost some pounds. It's time for me to get something new. Jordan 1s is definitely one of my go-tos in terms of putting a fit together. So I can't wait for the UNC's and these bread high 85s come out. I could not wait. But you guys let me know how you feeling about them. The bread's releasing earlier in the year, and the UNC's are releasing a little bit later in 2025. So be ready to spend your money on the couple release I just told y'all. And next, guys, we're going to be talking about us getting the Air Jordan 12s March 1st for 200 bones. These right here, I already have a pair. And like I told you, I'm not copping a lot of things, but I know this is definitely a most anticipated release for a lot of people. My pair is so crispy, my pair is so good. And I think I'll be straight for these because they probably gonna release again in about 10 years. I think these will hold up for a little while. But you guys already know Flu Game 12s releasing March 1st. Definitely one of them ones. And then something I think a lot of people want to go out and buy. Definitely not, probably not the newer generation, but you guys seen how the Olive 9s did. You guys seen how the Powder Blue 9s did. And now we're going to be getting the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray. Something I remember growing up, always wanted seeing on feet when I think I was in 11th grade when those dropped. So you already know I'm copping them. A lot of OGs in the comment section. I know y'all gonna be going crazy for them. So let me know how y'all feeling about the Cool Gray 9s, Nike, Jordan Brand. They going crazy, man. And then 2 sneakers that I think will do well in terms of, anticipation in terms of Sneakerheads warning. That is the Rare Air pack. We're getting the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air and the Rare Air Air Jordan 4s, which pairs are already floating around there. Hopefully we'll get a pair soon, break them down on the channel. I didn't even see the Rare Air 4s anywhere on Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's where I get all my information about upcoming releases. But the Rare Air 3 is on there. But these 2, I'm telling you, I think will translate well in terms of us not seeing something like this, and we probably won't get these for a while. So I think the Rare 3s and the 4s will go crazy. The Rare 3s are scheduled to release April the 12th. I think the retail tag was 210. So you guys let me know how you feel about them. Some new. We'll see how that release goes, but check them out, Rare Air 3 and the Rare Air 4s. Also next year, we will be getting the Air Jordan 5 Grapes. You guys know I do have the alternate grapes, or what do they call these, reverse grapes? Not too sure, but we're gonna be getting the grapes that I've always wanted, the white joints, super clean, super crispy. I know a lot of people will be going for these. Trust me, 5s don't get a lot of buzz, but when you bring out some of those nostalgic colorways, people will start coming out the woodworks. And these are releasing on April the 19th. Again, retail tag $200. It might move it up to $210. Who knows, bro? Everything going up in price. Just be prepared one day to be spending $10 for a carton of eggs. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you. And you guys know it would not be right for Jordan Brand to not bring back an OG Air Jordan 11 colorway in a low. And next year we'll be getting the Bread 11 lows in that low cut. Last couple years we got the Legend Blues, Space Gems, and we also got the Winlight 82 Air Jordan 11 lows. So be prepared for the 11 lows. I already have them. I'm just gonna find them somewhere in one of these boxes. But of course, we do got the highs, super clean, super crispy. And the lows, I know people gonna be going crazy for them. And I told y'all, a lot of these releases I already have, and I'm probably gonna be tempted to not get them, if that makes sense. Even though I'm a true sneakerhead, love buying shoes, but it gets to a point where if you got something that's still in pretty good condition, you probably won't go out and grab it. And this one I'm a little on the fence too, because we'll be also getting the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. And these things is still in good condition. These will be releasing on April the 30th for retail tag at $210. And again, bro, I already got them, but they are super, super clean. I might have to, go ahead and get a quick little double up so I can wear these a little bit more. We'll see what happens. We'll see how irresponsible I am come around, April time frame when the heat is right there in front of me. It's like, it'll be hard to pass, but your boy might have to pull the trigger. You guys already know Ferrari 14s on deck 2025. Again, bro, I told y'all, a lot of these releases your boy got, but I'm going to be super tempted because next year we're going to be getting a new, clean, crispy pair of Air Jordan 4 white cements. You guys can see, bro, they started in yellow. They started looking a little iffy. And if you don't remember, the quality on the pair that released back in 2016, I think it was like February 14th. I will never forget it. Released on Valentine's Day. If you don't remember, the quality was terrible all the way around, in my opinion, at least on my pair. Hopefully next year we do get some decent leather quality, like the white cement 3s, like the black cement 3s, and some other notable releases when it comes to the retros of an OG colorway. But these were releasing on May 24 for retail tag at $225. So they upcharging an extra $25. So hopefully we get some dope box. Hopefully we get some good leather quality. But next year, be ready. Nike on the back, white cement Air Jordan 4s coming back out for us, man. And on top of the white cement Air Jordan 4s, we also be getting the Undefeated, guys. And I was watching a video recently, and people were like literally mad that they bringing these back out. I forget who it was, but they were furious that they bring it back and open up the vault for some of these releases, like the Wu-Tangs, like these Undefeated 4s. But we getting them, bro. Don't knock Nike's hustle. We getting the Undefeated 4s again next year. I think the release date was June 28th, and the retail tag was $225, which again, they upcharging. It's Undefeated, so it is to be expected, but definitely gonna be grabbing them. Never had them in the collection. I've never even seen a pair in person, so it's gonna be super dope to have and add to the collection. You guys let me know how you feeling about it. And then also in the summertime, you guys know we love Jordan 1s, especially the one that probably started the hype all over again. That is the shattered backboard joints. Now these things right here, hopefully they still live up to that shattered backboard leather quality that we was comparing to every single Jordan 1. It started to fade away, but I feel like if they go crazy with the leather quality again, it's going to be a new spark up of Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard quality. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen, but we shall see what Nike does with the quality on these guys. Definitely going to be adding to the collection. Never had these as well. They'll be releasing July the 12th and retailing for $180. Remember I told y'all, man, that money going to be spending, that money going to be leaving your account, because 7 days after these Air Jordan 1 shattered backboards, we'll be getting the steel 10s. And I'm telling you right now, don't expect these to sit. I'm telling you right now, people are going to come out the woodworks grabbing them. They're going to say, oh, I've always loved 10s. Or it's going to be people like me that haven't bought a pair of 10s in forever, because the last Jordan 10 they dropped was a minute ago. But the last 10 was probably about a year or two ago. So I'm definitely going to be interested in grabbing the steel 10s. Never had them. Super nostalgic. I love them things. So going to be all over them. July the 19th, retail tag is $200. You guys know how you feel about them. They're going to have the toe cap on them too, so it is a little bit different. But hey, I'm still here for them. I'm still going to be copping these things. We also going to be getting the Black Tongue Fire Red 5. You guys know recently we did get the 69-point Fire Reds that had the metallic tongue on them. Go ahead and check them out right here. But next year, like I said, you guys see, we're getting the Black Tongue Fire Red 5s. I can't wait to get them, man. We're also going to be getting the Aqua 8s, man. The Aqua 8s, super tough. I think they've taken away the glitter on them, which I didn't mind the glitter or not. That's a pair that I've always wanted as well. Seen them in Nike outlets, kept passing on them because I wasn't a big 8 fan. And I started getting a little bit more accustomed to the 8s. You guys know, I got a bunch of 8s now. So definitely got to get the Aquas, one of them ones. I'm going to be grabbing them. But I want you guys to let me know how you feeling about some of these 9, Jordan 3. I would say really like Jordan 1 through 6, because after that, you get a little skeptical. If it ain't an 11, people a little iffy on them. So y'all let me know. I'm going to be grabbing the Air Jordan 8 Aquas. And then next, guys, you check it out right here. Pure Money Air Jordan 3s. And if you don't remember the hype for the Pure Money 4s, it was crazy. Or anything all white, bro, all black, it translates well in the sneaker community. But again, the Pure Money 3s releasing sometime in August. Retail tag is $210, but I'm all over them. I know you guys are as well. And then last but definitely not least, probably gonna go down as my sneaker of the year as of right now, and that is the Air Jordan 11 Gammas, bro. I need the Gammas in the collection, bro. It's finally here. It's been about 10 years I've been waiting on them. I think the last time it dropped was like 2013 or 2014, but now the time is here. It's finally coming to fruition. Shout out to Nike, shout out to Jordan Man for finally bringing them out. We've been asking for them for years, and the time has finally come. Gamma Air Jordan 11s, probably a lot of people's sneaker of the year for 2025 as well. I can't wait, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. I had a couple here talk about some of the most anticipated releases of 2025. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you enjoyed the content, and you want to stay up to date with some of these releases, early looks, and stuff like that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and I appreciate y'all, man. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch y'all in the next video. We got some more content coming up. We got some more early look cooking up, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.